Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm Yuvi Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Citroen C3 compact SUV, which is expected to be launched early next year. The Citroen C3 compact SUV has been spotted testing on roads numerous times. Here are some key details of this new Citroen C3 compact SUV made for India. Just recently, Citroen had launched the global C3 model for the European and UK markets. However, the India-specific C3 will be quite different to that seen in European markets, as this India-specific model will be quite different in terms of dimensions, design and underpinnings. This new India-specific C3 will be based on the new common modular platform being used by various Peugeot and Citroen products abroad. This is essentially a lower-cost platform developed for emerging markets such as India and South America. As a result, the India-specific C3 will be quite different compared to the European C3. As of now, the final design of the India-specific Citroen C3 has also been leaked through images of its promotional scale model presented during an official meet. Talking about the design, it is clear that the designers have tried to carry forward the design language of the European C3 while also providing more SUV looks while also making it compact. Upfront, the new C3 gets the typical wide grille flanked by dual-layer headlamps with LED DRLs that look sharper and quite similar to the recently unveiled European C3. The windshield is angular and the roof is almost flat with a slight tapering towards the end. The side profile of this new C3 India-specific model reminds us of the Hyundai Venue. At the rear too, just like the Hyundai Venue, the C3 gets a more upright tailgate with almost rectangular tail lamps and a dual-tone rear bumper with black cladding. Being a compact SUV, the Citroen C3 will also feature black cladding all around, along with contrast paint options similar to the orange-colored roof and orange elements on the sides and the front bumpers seen on this specific car. The Citroen C3 will also feature glossy black finished roof rails and stylish 16-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels. Going by the details of this scale model, the Citroen C3 India-specific model will be a quirky-looking compact SUV while also being fashionable and stylish. Coming to the interior, the India-specific C3 model is likely to be feature-loaded, quite similar to its rivals. The top-spec variants are expected to feature a large touchscreen infotainment system, cruise control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, automatic climate control and rear AC vents. However, the scale model showcased over here does not have a sunroof, and that's why we are not yet sure about the availability of an electric sunroof. The interior design has not yet been revealed. However, going by the spy shots, it is likely that the freestanding touchscreen system will be center of the stage, while also offering a unique and stylish dashboard design layout, unlike any of its rivals. The new India-specific Citroen C3 compact SUV will be available with only one single engine option, which will be a 1.2-litre turbo petrol 3-cylinder engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission without the availability of a diesel engine option. It is also likely that this new compact SUV will also be available with a DCT automatic transmission for better performance and convenience. This new India-specific low-cost Citroen C3 SUV is likely to be unveiled later this year, with an official launch expected to happen by early next year. When launched, this new compact SUV will go against the likes of the Renault Kiger, the Nissan Magnite, Kia Sonet, Tata Nexon, Hyundai Venue, the Ford EcoSport and the Mahindra XUV 300. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Citroen C3 compact SUV for India. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.